Looking for some low point food ideas? Well, no worries, I got you covered. Today I'm going to share some low point foods and snack ideas that will keep us on the track to success. There has been quite a few of you that have told me about poppables. Had to try them, I'm in love. So thank you for telling me about them. Poppables, I can get 23 of these for only 3 points. These are so good. They are a potato chip. I can only find the original and sea salt vinegar in my area, but I really enjoy these. When you're looking for a regular taste of a potato chip, definitely grab yourself some poppables. And 23 of them, that's a lot. Sugar-free pudding snacks. This one's by Hunt's. The only complaint I have about these is I wish I had the barcode on the actual pack instead of the cardboard that they come in. But for one of these, it is 3 points. And when I'm having a real sweet tooth or chocolatey craving, I like to add 19 Lily's chips to the pudding pack. This is only 1 point for 19, bringing this snack up to 4 points. We usually have goldfish crackers on hand, and goldfish crackers, you can get 55 pieces of them for 4 points. Or they also have baby goldfish crackers, and you can get 89 of the baby ones for 4 points. Those are a good take it on the road kind of a snack, and you can munch as you're driving or sitting or reading or watching a movie. Oreo has some Oreo Thins out, and for 2 Oreo Thin cookies, it is only 3 points. Now they need to start getting Oreo Thins holiday out. That's what I'm thinking. In a couple of my recent videos, I have made a blueberry muffin that is only 1 point per muffin. And I also made a cream cheese pumpkin muffin, and it's 3 points per muffin for the pumpkin. I will have both of the videos, which have the recipes included, linked below. As you can see, I froze those muffins, and then when I want one, I just take it out, pop it in the microwave for probably about 20 seconds, wrapped up in a paper towel, and they are just like they come fresh out of the oven. Sugar-free Jell-O is 0 points. You can also top the Jell-O with a little bit of no sugar whipped cream. You're still at 0 points. Pocky is something that my boys both enjoy. I've tried them and they are really good. It is just a stick cookie, and some of them are dipped in chocolate, some are dipped in a strawberry, or even chocolate and almond pieces. So depending on the flavor of Pocky, they start from 2 points and up. Pretzels are a really good go-to food, and you can get 1 ounce of pretzels for only 3 points. And then I have some ideas for this apple. One of them is apple nachos. Now you can take PB2 chocolate or PB2 regular. The chocolate and the regular PB2 are the same in points. You can get 2 tablespoons for only 1 point, and you can drizzle it over top of the apple. You can also take sugar-free chocolate syrup, drizzle that on the top, so now you have like a chocolate peanut butter apple. Or you can sprinkle some Lily's chocolate chips, or for something fun and just a little bit different, you can just use regular sprinkles. These ones are Halloween. These are cute. Okay, we're gonna bring back in the PB2. So you can either use the chocolate peanut butter or the regular peanut butter, a celery stick, and you can add the PB2 right into the celery stick. Oh my goodness, yum. It's a crunch of peanut butter, and if you use the chocolate, chocolatey deliciousness. Let's keep going with the PB2, shall we? I like bananas and peanut butter. So of course, I love the PB2 drizzled over top of banana slices. You can turn this into a banana split by adding a tablespoon of marshmallow fluff, which is only 1 point. Any kind of sugar-free syrups, chocolate or otherwise, maybe a few Lily's chocolate chips, and top it off with some no sugar ready whipped cream. I bet you're gonna crave that just like I do. You can take a tablespoon of hummus, which is 1 point, and dip carrots or celery into it. That's a good crunchy snack right there. Here's something a little different that I never even thought about, but you can take some ham. I have uncured honey ham from Sam's Club. I can get 2 slices of this ham for 1 point, and all I have to do is take a pickle spear, wrap it up in the ham, and that is a 2 point salty, crunchy snack. If you take an apple and you cut it into slices, you can sprinkle cinnamon over the top of the apple, Ooh, man, is this good. If you want to take it a little step further, you can sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg. That is not only perfect for fall, but it is also a 0-point treat. If you like something cold, a sugar-free popsicle is only 1 point per popsicle. Rice Krispies has minis, and they also make them in holiday fashion with some holiday sprinkles on the top. For one of the Rice Krispie minis, it's only 2 points. Here's an easy little treat or dessert for you. You take PB2, only 1 tablespoon, and 1 cup of fat-free Cool Whip. Gently stir those together along with 2 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate syrup. All you have to do is put a half portion into a cupcake liner, add a drizzle of the sugar-free chocolate syrup, pop it in your freezer until it is frozen, and you have a delicious frozen low point treat. The full recipe and the instructions are linked below. If you try any of these, let me know what you think and let me know if you make any changes. If you're looking for more ideas, I have a Weight Watcher snack video and a Weight Watcher food video that will help you out. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.